Now Houlihan. Johnny Howson lines one up. Johnny Howson! Off the crossbar. Naismith with the rebound! And Norwich City have the lead. And that's exactly what Norwich City needed. Brilliant shot from Howson. Wolves failing to clear it. And Naismith just bidding it beyond Kanalai Kimi. Doherty. Looks for Bodvarsson, great touch from Bodvarsson. Doherty still going, he goes down in the area, and that's a penalty kick. And that's one of the softest penalty kicks I've seen awarded this season. Elder Costa now has been gifted the chance to equalise for Wolves. And he does. Johnny Howson. Flighted in by Howson. Stearman just about gets it away. Chance for Houlihan, still Houlihan, which Houlihan goes down, and the penalty counts will be evened up by the referee. Now off the ball, red cards is given, and wearing the shirts of Paddy Burgoyne, it's Matt Doherty. Brady versus Doherty. Brady steps up, and it's 4 goals for the season now for Robbie Brady. Charts, flights it in. Shot from Howson, deflected into the net. And Johnny Howson deserves that for his performance today. An intelligent footballer. Rifled it in and found the back of the nets.